गुरु गोविंद दाओ खड़े काके लागो पाऊँ बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. This is Indian students and teacher relationship. I'm quoting this today because today is Teachers Day in India. Namaste, Naman. I wish you a very happy Teachers Day from India. Today, we will talk about this teacher-student relationship first because we are going to announce a surprise for all participants and winner today. So teaching is relevant on this contest. Karate teacher, especially I want to talk about. Dear friends, dear masters, why did we choose this profession? Of course, you know very well from very beginning there is not a great money in karate. And earlier that was not your passion. You want just earn a decent livelihood by teaching karate. Karate was your love. But you forget it soon. I will not blame you. This is the time. Everyone need money to support his family, to pay his bill. Of course, a karate teacher has bills to pay. We shouldn't forget it. But matter is chosen. You choose karate profession because it was your passion, it was your love. What happened now? It's not great thing to blame your circumstances. Masters go through with the circumstances and they make the most of it. Of course, this is tough time we are facing. All community facing this tough time. But as you know, karate teachers has very limited of source of income. They have to survive it. And they will be because they are the best survivor of the world. But when you survive, remember the one thing. The best teacher is the one who teach from the heart, not from the books. Because sometime your student need a thing at the most that you didn't include in your lesson plans. Go on your teacher students relationship and grow together. Serious stuff, but on the day I really need to mention it. I really wish you Naman, good morning, Namaste to all karate teachers, especially my superheroes, the participant of the Karate Master event, special e-kata demonstration, and of course to my heroes, all participants of e-kata competition. We have taken the screenshots. It gonna take a while to count your likes and add it with your numbers you have already earned by the technical committee. So today we will publish certificate of appreciation for all karate masters and declare the result under 10 category. Tomorrow we will declare the result under 12 and under 14, and day after tomorrow under 18 and 18 plus. I would like to share some statistics, some data with you. The most viewed e-kata video is 79, view 4210, participant's name Stefan Dennis Gabriel from Romania, Europe. His runner-up is Muhammad Al Farabi, Indonesia, Asia. His e-kata number is 17 and his view 3012. The most liked videos of this competition is again Mr. Al Farabi, Indonesia. Kata number is same 17. He scored 682 likes. You see, you cannot convert all the viewers' heart to the like. There's a huge difference between the most viewed video and this video, but still he is the most liked video, and his runner-up is Mr. Nilesh Atmaram Gaikwad. He is from India, Asia. His e-kata number is 77 and he scored 656 like. Congratulations. We have some more things to announce, to share with you. At beginning, we were not willing to issue participant certificate to the all participant, but on demand and your request, organized committee has decided to issue participant certificate for all participant. I have another surprise for all winners and all master of special category. Dear winners and masters, as we know, karate is your passion and you have some unique techniques and skills. If you would like to share your techniques with the young generation, we will please to provide you the platform. The name is Killing Punch YouTube channel. What you have to do, you just make the video of your teaching techniques and send us within a 10 days. You see, you can send this video by 15 September 2020. All the winners also can make the video with the help of your sensei, your coach, your senior associates, and send the video on the same number you have already by the same date, 15 September 2020. Your video must be minimum 10 minutes and maximum 40 minutes in length. If your video is appropriate, we are going to publish this video on our YouTube channel, The Killing Punch. So, friends, here we are. On this contest, you always feel free to contact me. Even you can feel free to contact me anytime with all your problems, with all your happiness. I am here to help you out as a friend, the best friend. You see, nice to talk to you. Today, we are going to issue certificates for master category and declare the results under 10 e-kata competition. Namaste. Happy Teachers Day. Enjoy.